Hello and welcome to Andy's Shed. So today we're going to talk about a project van that I bought off Facebook Marketplace, unseen. So let's get into the van details. So the middle of last year we bought this Volkswagen Transporter T4 van. It's 1999, 2.5 diesel. And we bought it for the princely sum of 750 quid. I think it was like 200 quid for delivery, so this thing rocked up on my driveway and away we went. That's when the fun began. So as soon as the van arrived, we got it started up, and I'll leave you with this video of what it's first sounded like when it got here. So now, at this point, we're thinking, what the hell have we done buying this? But then the real fun and games began when we started to uncover all of the rot and rust that had set in over the years. So here's the original advert that we saw on Marketplace, and it's quite funny now looking at it back because it says needs some work. That's like the understatement of the year. So throughout this video series, what we're going to do is cover off the repairs that we've gone through, and then the subsequent conversion process that we're going to start. So yeah, if you're interested in T4 vans or, you know, rebuilding them, by all means, subscribe, like. So yeah, tune in for the next video, and yeah, see you soon.